Okay, today we're going to go ahead and look up a few different ways to find information on your Windows 10 system. The first way is to type in this PC, right click and click on Properties. And you'll see information here like device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, different things like that. You'll also see advanced system settings here, which will give you some performance information, information about profiles. You can see your computer name. It'll give you a little tab for device manager when you click on here. That will give you all sorts of information that you can dig into, like what monitors are attached, what display drivers or graphics cards you have, network cards, things like that. The second way to get information is to go into the start bar again and type in system information. And in here you'll see a bunch of different information specific to your computer, hardware resources, components, software information. So you'll see your drives in here, your network adapters, ports. The third way is to go into Control Panel and then click on System and Security and then System. And once you get into here, you can find your advanced system settings again. And that's the same place we saw before. Another way is to go through this settings program. So we can open the settings application and then we can click on System and then About. And that brings us back to the same page here. And the last way that you can get in is by opening via the command line. So you can go ahead and type in sysdm.cpl in here. And this will bring up the system properties box, gives you the same information that we saw before. And that's pretty much it. That's a few different ways to look up information about your system. We'll go ahead and do another video later on that has some more advanced ways, but this should get you started looking up any information you need about your Windows 10 machine. Have a good day.